In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove background noise.
So let's jump into the Premiere Pro's timeline. I have made a 3 video layer here. First method, go to Window and click on the Essential Sound. Here is the Essential Sound panel. Select the audio layer and go to Dialog because my audio layer has voiceover. Enable the Enhance option, then increase the amount. If I play the video, you will see the background noise has removed.
And preset. Save time on repetitive tasks. Multi-format support. Compatible.
I will decrease the amount and play the video. You will hear before sound with various file types. User-friendly interface, easy to use and increase the amount value. You will hear remove noise sound.
Real-time collaboration. Work seamlessly with Teams. Cloud integration. Edit for anywhere with cloud support. Custom template and
now we will learn second method. Go to second clips and go to dialog panel. Then increase the reduce noise value. If I play the video, you will hear it.
work seamlessly with Teams. Cloud integration. Edit for anywhere with cloud support. Custom template and preset.
Save time on. In this time we will learn third method. Select third audio layer and go to effect panel and search denoise. Drag the effect into the audio layer, then go to effect control panel. Click on the edit option and increase the amount value. If I play the video, you will hear third method.
Cloud support. Custom template and preset.
Save time on repetitive tasks. To get more interesting video editing like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next video reach out.